Alright? Ding, ding, ding. Call me in Sanford. Okay? So, my name's Amelia. My mom's daughter, Heather. Heather is my mom. And Eddie is my dad. And Jordan and Maddie Marshall. Jordan Marshall and Maddie Marshall are my sisters and brothers. Brother and sister. And I'm pretty sure, okay. So I know, ding, 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 I am the best. I love my mom, dear mommy. I love you and my dad and me. Mama is one of my favorite parents. My mom and my dad are my favorite parents. They're never mean to me, and they be so nice to me. And they say, go eat, go to bed, and I do it. But sometimes I watch TV, and I fall asleep.